All right. So let me see. I've got somebody said, how may I reach you? Okay. Let me see if I can show you guys how to reach me. It's at contact@convocourses.com. But what I'll do is let me put it up here right here. This is my contact information if you happen to be watching the stream. It's contact@convocourses.com. I get people asking me questions about how to get in this field, or which course should they buy, or where can they get free material, or things like that. Some from time to time, if I can actually do one-on-ones with people, I'm going to do those a lot less because I actually have a job that's starting here real soon. So I'm not going to be able to do that kind of stuff anymore. And that's why I wrote the books. I wrote the book so that when people want questions, I can just say, go, here's the book right here. And by the way, like if you're like, well, Bruce is just trying to get money. Yes, I am trying to get money. Okay. I'm just going to keep it real with you. But also, you can get the shit for free, to be honest with you. Like you can literally get some of this stuff for free. If you go to YouTube, most of my stuff's on YouTube. A lot of it, like if you're gonna have to sort through it. But man, I've talked about this for so long. I've probably covered every topic twice already. I've got like 700 videos. But if you want a condensed version of this and you're trying to invest in yourself so you don't mind spending some money, then yeah, like RMF ISO if you're trying to get into NIST 800 controls. And the beauty of knowing these controls is that if you know this control family, this is crazy. And this is crazy. I'm going to put you on some game. If you know this control family right here, if you know this control family, the stuff that I'm showing, if you happen to be watching me on the screen, if you know this stuff, if you understand it, you understand this stuff right here. This is game right here. This is game change. I'm about to change somebody's life. One of y'all is gonna listen to me. If you understand this stuff right here, then you can understand PCI. You can understand PCI DSS. That's this framework for conducting assessments and putting in place security controls for credit card systems. You also can understand Sarbanes-Oxley. That's for financial institutions, banks, trusts, investment corporations, places like that. You also could understand HIPAA. That's for hospitals. HIPAA is nothing to you if you understand this stuff. ISO 27001. I recently had somebody contact me about this. And they said, hey, we saw your resume. You are a great pick for this. And I said, well, just send me a job description as I usually do, right? I'm talking to the screener. And then they send me the description. I said, they mentioned this, but really they wanted an ISO 27001 person. ISO 27001 is the same stuff I'm showing you here, but it's for an international standard. They contacted me, and this is not the first time this has happened. And then they gave me an interview based off, and I said, look, guys, I've done a little bit of ISO 27001, but my main bread and butter, the stuff I really know well, is NIST 800. But I know that NIST 800, these family of controls are so similar to ISO 27001 that I could totally write stuff for ISO 27001 because I know what access control is supposed to look like. I know what awareness and training is supposed to look like, audit and accountability, the stuff I just read, SA controls. I know that acquisitions has to happen and how it should happen. These are all the secret of all of this is that these are the security best practices that every organization should have on some level, including your mom and pop stores. If they have any kind of internet connection, if they have any kind of connection to the internet at all, if actually it even covers physical controls. So even physical controls are covered with this stuff you see here on the screen. And if you don't have that the bigger you get, the more of a target you become for your organization becomes. So you have to have some level of security, have to have some level of controls there. So that's why this stuff is so valuable. And I'm so surprised that more people don't talk about it because it actually pays really well. It pays really well, right? If that's your incentive, and it should be your incentive to get paid. That's why I'm doing this. And let me tell you, it pays. I don't have to be without a job. You know what I mean? I'm constantly getting contacts. I have a job now, and I'm still getting contacted by people, and I got to turn stuff away. Imagine having 6-figure jobs coming to you on a daily basis and you're turning them down. That is what I'm doing. And it's all because I know this stuff right here. Yeah. All right, let me see. Let me see if I have any more questions. I'm getting a ton of questions on TikTok. If you guys have any questions whatsoever, this is a great opportunity to ask. If you have any questions about this career field, are you trying to get into it or working in this field? I've been doing this for 20 years. I know a little something about it. I don't know everything, but I can put you on some game that get you into this field to get you at least get you started on it. So let me see. I've got so many questions on. I want to really answer all of these individually on TikTok. I'm looking through my comments here. Said, got to take mine today. Oh man. Oh yeah. This is about the Kia challenge. People getting their Kias stolen. Wow. Literally somebody went on there and said that they got their stolen. I don't know. Never seen Japan. Okay. Yeah, I got so many questions. It's really great to see how many questions that I get on a regular, excuse me, on a regular basis on TikTok. I'm actually quite surprised by it. Let me see. Please, may I know how to contact you? My contact is right below. Contact at ConvoCourses.com. I'm going to be working here real soon, so I don't know how much I can do. I've been off for 4 months.